Go is a type of irregular verb. Irregular verbs don't follow the general rule of using ed or d to form the past simple or past participle. Instead, the past simple and past participle forms are different. Therefore, it's important to learn them for irregular verbs. Let's look at an example. We have the base form, past simple, past participle. Cook is the base form of the verb. The past simple form is cooked. As you can see, we have added ed to the end of the word. The past participle is also cooked. Therefore, this is a regular verb. This rule doesn't apply to the verb go. Instead, the base form is go. The past simple form is went, not goed. And the past participle is gone. Go. Go is the base form of the verb, and it means to go from one place to another. So here I have all of the subjects: I, you, we, they, she, he. Now let's go through examples using the verb go. I go to school. You go to school. We go to school. They go to school. She goes to school. He goes to school. As you can see, for subjects she and he, we use the form goes. Went. Went is the past simple form of the verb. The past simple refers to an action that has already happened. Again, here are all the subjects, and let's go through the examples. I went to school. You went to school. We went to school. They went to school. She went to school. He went to school. A very common mistake is to add an auxiliary verb before the verb went. I have went to school. This is incorrect. Instead, we just say, I went to school. Gone. Gone is the past participle form. We always add an auxiliary verb before the verb gone. So, here are the subjects, and here are the examples. I have gone to school. You have gone to school. We have gone to school. They have gone to school. She has gone to school. He has gone to school. As you can see, for subjects she and he, we use a different auxiliary verb, has.